Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing amazing. BYND Stocks here, back at it once again. Gonna be covering Beyond Meat. That's Beyond Meat, ticker symbol BYND. Time of recording, it is August 11th, 2026 on a Tuesday afternoon. So let's get on with the video. None of this is financial advice, so let's get on with it. So Beyond Meat, BYND, is now currently trading at all-time lows right here at 41 cents. Can you believe it? The IPO success back in 2019, hitting all-time highs of 200 not once but twice, is now currently sitting at 41 cents. That is incredible, you guys. So yeah, so this brought my attention here. I mean, this is a very high risk play, but you know, I'm gonna be using the counter channel, using the 4 ATR. So if we take a look at that and we go down to the daily time frame, you could see that it did touch this. It did touch this right here. So very interesting on what we can, how this can play out. You know, I think if you're looking for a short term, you know, 10%, 20% gain, maybe waiting a couple more days just to see how it plays out, you know, I think this is not too bad of a play. However, you know, only risk what you're willing to lose with this play, because it is high risk. But yeah, I'm gonna, if we zoom out right here, you could just see how this counter channel has just been tightening up. It did squeeze a little bit right here, but now it's just consolidating and just really tightening up. If we look at the weekly time frame, you could just see this channel just really tightening up here. So yeah, just thought this was an interesting stock. I've never covered Beyond Meat, but I think I'm just going to take my chances with this one. Again, this is a very high risk play. So Beyond Meat does have until the end of the month to be in compliant, because it has been under $1. So what they can do, if it doesn't get above $1, I would have to reach above $1 for a consecutive of 10 days to be in compliant. But if it does fail to do that, then I believe they can get a 180-day extension. Another thing that they can do is they could possibly, or they can do a reverse split. That way it could make the price go up, reducing the shares. That way it could artificially make the price go up. This stock has never performed a reverse stock split, so it is very possible that that can take place. A lot of times when companies do reverse splits, you know, it could either further continue to crash. Sometimes they can pump up from there. But yeah, the fundamentals of the stock, you know, everybody knows what Beyond Meat is. You know, back when veganism became, you know, really popular, when there was a huge movement back in 2019, you know, this became very popular. The only problem with this Beyond Meat, you know, with Carl's Jr., you know, the burgers were really good, but you know, they were a lot more pricier in comparison to the regular meat hamburgers. So I think that's what's hurting this stock a lot. They are starting to be a little bit more innovative. They came out with this new protein drinks. So that's kind of new that they're innovating, but yeah, they got to do a lot more, you know, if they want to sustain the company. So yeah, this is a very risky play. I just thought I'd brought this to you guys' attention. You could see right here on the daily time frame, it did touch this, or very close to this ATR4 on the Keltner channel. You could see right here, if I drop this down, you can see the KC Keltner channel, 20 moving average for ATR. Yeah, I just thought I'd mention this stock. Very interesting, high risk. You could see their last earnings did do well. However, you know, it did tank. There's other stocks that are beginning to do this, but yeah, just again, I thought I'd mention this with you guys. Just gonna make this one short, but yeah, I think I'll be picking some up and see if I could get a 10% or 20% gain. But you know, I think this doesn't look bad though. You know, I mean, I think that this stock still has time. I don't think it'll just be deleted again. You know, it has till the end of the month, and then by then they would either have to do a reverse split or do a 180-day extension if they don't get above $1, then 10 consecutive days. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and drop a like, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified on all the videos that I do come out. So I just want to say thank you to everybody. I did reach 100 subscribers today, so that is a milestone. So just want to thank each and every one of you. God bless, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Take care.